Welcome, right this way, my friends. Come closer, come closer. A few brand new crew members and a few returning for another mission. Some Mandalorian will brief you on your mission.
Listen up, crew. Our bounties are 2 Imperial officers and a pirate. Our goal is to capture them and collect any crates they're transporting. Thanks to Hondo's intel, we know they're on Tatooine. Grogu and I will meet you there.
Okay, friends, you have your mission. Capture the bounties, and engineers, you steal their crates. Now get the move on, and know that I have complete faith in you. Bespin.
Remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
Right, pilot. Make the jump to hyperspace, and good luck.
This is the ship Hondo sends. Let's see what it can do. Hondo wants crates. Practice on these. Engineers, hit the flashing button to activate your tractor beam. Nice work on the tractor beam. Gunners, take out those scouts. Good work, gunners. Enough practice. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said don't touch. New plan. We'll catch 1 bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. They're escaping. We need to know where they're headed. Left engineer, launch the home beacons. Didn't work. We can only follow one. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Right, engineer. Pick our destination. Fast. Endor. Let's see what we find. Grogu, buckle up. Check the light speed. The Death Star. Our bounty's trying to hide. Pilots head into the wreckage, but be on alert. It's okay, kid. You're safe with me. They clocked us. Left pilot hit the boosters. Engineers, grab the crate with your tractor beam. Gunners, you're up. Stay on target. Watch out, you'll stall the ship. There's your bounty. Follow him. You're not gonna make it. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Grogu, open the hatch. Retrieving the bounty. Now. Time to fly back to it. We're caught in a tractor beam. We have to get out of here. Gunners, release the torpedoes, now. Great shot. Let's head out before there's any more surprises. Make the jump to light speed. Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your new friends.
Unloading crates now. Ah, a respectable haul. To the right buyer, we can fetch a very good price.
Good work, crew. Grogu and I will hand over the pirate to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid. Bespin it is. Grogu, buckle up. Make the jump to light speed. You're heading for Cloud City. Stay on his tail. Pilots, you're up. Watch out for that cable. Dead cleric. You're stuck to the ship. Driving towards explosives. Good company. Fighters incoming. Gunners, take them out. crate. Engineers, grab it with a tractor beam. Let's try not to blow up Cloud City.
Engineers, how many crates do we have?
Enough of this. I'm on my way. Grogu, don't get into trouble. Keep steady so I can cut you loose. Bounty in hand. Prepare to leave. Fast. That's not a tollway. Hit the boosters. Lights pilot, jump to light speed. Now. Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your new friends.
I brought me back crates. Excellent work. Unloading now. Oh, these will get many credits for me, and some for you too.
Let's head out. Grogu, buckle up. Make the jump to light speed. Here's our bounty. Zero traffic. Switching to ion cannons. Split up and draw their fire.
Hello, engineers. Remember, crates means more credits.
They're working on it, Hondo. After them. Water them on the other side. Engineers, grab the crates with your tractor beam. Watch out for those power couplings. That's disabled the ship. Let's catch kid. Enemy ships incoming. Bring up the ship while I grab this Imperial officer. Backup is here. We have an X-Wings.
Copy that, Blue Leader.
Look out. Head the boosters. White pipe, make the jump to light speed.
So much.
Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your new friends.
Unloading crates now. Respectable haul. To the right buyer, we can fetch a very good price.
Good work, crew.